Hey guys, welcome to JetJanix again. And today we will learn the how we can extract parts of a text string. Okay, here we have one example. For example, this is the zip code of different areas. Okay, and it has two parts. The first part is the district code, and the other one, let's assume, is the province code. Okay, and you want here in this column you want to extract all of the district codes except the province code. Okay, so how you are going to do it, just press equal sign and you can write the left. Okay, and double click it and select the cell, and now press how many digits you want to extract. So I am going to extract 5. Okay, and close the parenthesis and press enter. Okay, so you can see now we have only these 5 digits here and we are not having this one. Okay, and the same thing we can calculate for the next yes, for this cell again. Okay, so we can extract the left 5 digits like this. The other example might be, let's assume that you are having the phone numbers with the area code. Okay, and you want to extract the numbers without the area code. So for this you are going to use the right option, and how you are going to do it, press equal and right click right. Okay, right, again select the cell, comma, and how many digits you want to extract, you have to specify that, and in this case we are having 7 digits. So close the parenthesis and press enter. Okay, you see we have extracted the number without the area code. So just double click the right bottom corner of this cell and you will have this number as well. Okay, and the next thing is the mid value, the mid value of a number, extraction of mid value of the number. Let me give you an example. For example, this is a number of job code. Okay, this one and these are the numbers of 3 employees, and for example the fourth digit of this number represents the area of employee where he is working. So we are let's say, sorry, we have this a label, the job label. For example, the 4 might be for the top manager, and 2 for be for the frontline manager, and third for be the class 4, or we can say the PN, or all these kind of employees. Okay, so we are interested in extracting these job level. Okay, so how you are going to calculate it, just press equal sign. Okay, mid, you just click mid and give the number here. Okay, and now you have to press comma, and we have to specify which number of the digits we want to extract. So the fourth number represents the job level, so we will type 4. Okay, and after this we have to specify how many numbers, because this is the starting number. Okay, the 4 is the starting number. Now it says how many numbers you want me to report for you. So we are interested in only one number, so we will just press 1. And if you are interested in having the 4 and 0 both, then we will type 2 here. Okay, but for now, as we are interested in only one number, like the 4, 2 and 3, so I'm just going to type 1. Okay, close the parenthesis here and press enter. You see we found this value, and if you want to find the fourth value for other two cells, we can do it like this. Okay guys, it is very easy and it can save a lot of your time, specifically in the case when we are having a lot of data or bulk of data and we want to point out these kind of values. So you can just use this formula and save your time. Okay guys, I hope you understood it. So please like our video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.